Hello, my love. Welcome to a guided meditation. I'm happy you made the choice to meditate today and invite more positive energy into your life. We'll start in a comfortable seated position with our palms facing up. Let's take 3 deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Find stillness as you continue to breathe through your nose. Now, we'll take a moment for gratitude. What do you have to be grateful for? What about your body do you have to be grateful for? Think about everything your body does for you. What about your home and your environment do you have to be grateful for? You are protected, you are surrounded with things that you love. What about your life are you grateful for? What about the people around you, your loved ones? Are you grateful for? Now, take a moment and think about what brings you joy, what makes you feel alive, what makes your heart happy, what makes your soul sing, what moments in life are the most precious to you. Think about these moments, how it makes you feel. Feel it with your entire body, that joy, that gratitude, that aliveness. Feel that positive energy like a bright light that washes over your entire body. All the things you have to be grateful for, all the beauty of life, all the things that brings you joy. That beautiful feeling of joy and lightness, it washes over your entire body from the tip of your head down your body, down your limbs to the tips of your toes. Just take a moment and feel it with your entire body. Imagine that this positive energy is always around you. It is always accessible to you. It cleans your body, and your energy, releasing anything that does not serve you, anything that holds you down. You feel lighter, you feel brighter. This energy is so bright and beautiful, and truly, this energy reveals more of who you truly are. Next, I will share some positive affirmation to support your journey and well-being. Feel free to recite them with me out loud or in your mind. I will repeat them twice and then leave some space for you to repeat after me. I am calm. I am calm. I am safe. I am safe. I am grateful. I am grateful. I am grateful. I am joyful. I am joyful. I am loving. I am loving. I am loved. I am loved. I am worthy. I am worthy. When you feel ready, take 3 deep breaths as we did in the beginning. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Blink, open your eyes. Notice how your body feels now. Notice how your environment looks now. Now you can move forward with your day, radiating a calm, beautiful positivity, sending you so much love and light. Namaste. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.